On the sidewalk where Lorenzo Salgado Araujo was killed on Tuesday, there's now a shrine. Maria Rosas has stopped to mourn.
And he was targeted and hunted down. Yeah. It's very upsetting.
The shooting of Lorenzo by ICE officers has caused deep upset in this Hispanic neighborhood of Houston, Texas.
I think we're all frustrated at the continuing raids and hauling of hardworking people who come here to provide for the families, provide a better future. They're not causing any harm. They're just trying to survive.
On the stoop of the barbershop right next to the scene, Heriberto Beltran shares the anger of many.
At this moment, there's no justice. When they show me the person really tried to run over the policeman, then I say I was wrong. But at this moment, I think we're all alone. That's the way a lot of people feel. We don't supposed to be treated like that.
The Department of Homeland Security says Salgado, a Mexican construction worker living undocumented in the US for 3 decades, tried to run over an officer who fired. But they've not released any body cam footage to back this up. Salgado's son says he was just a hard-working family man who was close to getting legal status.
What happened, though, my father was being followed by 2 unmarked cars. Had my father seen an emblem of ICE or an emblem that says anything about law enforcement agency, my father would have complied, he would have stopped, he would have not ran away because he feared for his life.
The killing has triggered a response from Mexico. President Claudia Sheinbaum says her government plans to file criminal complaints in the U.S.
We can't be blind to the deaths of Mexicans in ICE operations or of those who were detained in these detention centers, which are previously run businesses hired by ICE, so we're taking action.
Once again, the Trump administration's immigration crackdown has turned deadly. And once again, immigrant communities are raising angry voices at the seeming impunity of ICE officers. Salgado is at least the 8th person to die during enforcement actions, and no immigration officers have been charged for any of the deaths. Rory Challens, Al Jazeera.